In this video, I'll show you how you can freeze a frame in Davinci Resolve 16. So if you watch this video, you'll find out exactly how you can do this, and I'm going to get started right now. So first of all, you want to select and open the clip in your timeline. Next up, you want to select this tool right here, which is the blade edit mode. Now you can do that by clicking right here or press B on your keyboard. First of all, basically select where you want to freeze the frame. So before actually doing that, I recommend using the select tool and drag this over to where you want to do this. Let's pretend that I want to do this right here. You then drag that over here. Next up, click on that edit tool by pressing on B and then cut. Next up, you want to zoom in right here and then hit the right key on your keyboard to move one frame. Now before you do that, actually you want to click on the select tool again, my bad, and there you go. Then select this tool again, press B, and then cut this. Okay, next up you want to click the select tool again, drag this over, there you go, then slide back. I'll just zoom out, there you go. So right here is that one frame that we just created. I'm gonna zoom back in, select this clip, right click, and then click on change clip speed, and then click on freeze frame right there and click on change. Next up, you want to slide this over to basically like for how long you want to freeze that frame. So let's say that I want to freeze it. You then select it and you slide it all the way over there, and that's it. That's how you can do this. So right now you can see that it freezes, and that's exactly how you can do that. So if this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you appreciate this, I'll also appreciate it if you can leave a comment and let me know it works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.